The Netherlands is the global market leader in greenhouse horticulture. Because of fast-growing urbanization and the increasing food demand, more and more crops need to be cultivated locally and in a more sustainable way. Therefore, it becomes more important to be able to predict in advance how a greenhouse can be optimally arranged, so risks can be limited and investments can be secured, but also to be able to optimize production. That is why TNO, together with Hortivation, has developed SIOM. SIOM is a digital tool in which greenhouse builders can tailor the designs of greenhouses to adapt to the climate and environment anywhere in the world. Based on location, SIOM gives information about local sources, such as sunshine, precipitation, climate and energy. A basic design is made jointly at the start of the project, and this data forms the starting point for compiling with the SIOM software. SIOM contains an extensive database with specific components and systems, such as the greenhouse construction, heating, ventilation, cooling and irrigation. Within SIOM, you can also compare different greenhouse designs. The tool simulates an entire growing season, which provides valuable insights in paybacks, business results and efficiency. This way, SIOM helps to make decisions to further optimize business operations and crop cultivation and improve sustainability, which results in more efficiency and higher quality. Suppliers are constantly adding their latest high-quality products and innovations, and growers share experience data. As a result, the system is always up to date. SIOM offers investors an independent and fair comparison. This way, they can choose the best solution for every situation, and the greenhouse technology sector is ready for the requests and demands of the future. SIOM, the best system for every situation.